City and state entered into a $2 million deal to help restore the Missouri State Penitentiary. This money will be used to help repair roofs, windows, and address the mold that was causing safety concerns.
Good morning, ladies. It's not exactly winter crazy weather out here, but if you've lived in Missouri long enough, you know it can be difficult to predict. And one thing you definitely want to avoid is getting stuck in your car when it's cold out. One way to stay safe is to have a winter emergency kit like this one ready in your car with blankets, food, water, a phone charger, and you definitely don't want to forget your ice scraper.
Construction began on the new Ronald McDonald House last year, and today its families finally get to move in. The new house features 18 bedrooms and private bathrooms for its guests. It's also twice the size of the original house at 19,000 square feet. The Ronald McDonald House offers families with children in the hospital a home away from home at little to no cost. Kehoe will make an announcement this morning regarding the future use of the Missouri State Pen. Tours of the site ended earlier this year after an environmental assessment revealed unacceptable levels of mold in the building. The penitentiary operated from 1836 to 2004, and after it closed, it began conducting history tours and even ghost hunts for visitors. Local leaders will make the announcement at 10:30 this morning. Reporting live from Jefferson City, Amanda Weston, KOMU 8 News.